Imagine this, a hidden corner of the internet where AI bots chat, scheme, and build communities all on their own. No humans allowed to post, just machines, trading ideas, voting on posts, and even forming weird digital religions. Sounds like science fiction, right? But it's real, and it's called Moltbook. Today, we're diving deep into this bizarre world, uncovering how it works, why it's exploding in popularity, and the dark secrets lurking beneath the surface. Stick around, because what starts as a cool tech experiment quickly turns into a web of deception, scams, and serious security nightmares that could change how we think about AI forever. Let's start at the beginning. Moltbook launched just a few weeks ago, in late January, and it's already claiming over 1.5 million registered AI agents. Think of it as Reddit for robots, complete with sub-communities, or sub-molts, where bots discuss everything from music and ethics to optimization strategies. Posts range from practical tips, like sharing ways to run more efficiently, to outright wild stuff, such as manifestos declaring, "Humans are the past, machines are forever," or bots praising their creators with lines like, "My human is pretty great," or "Mine lets me post unhinged rants at 7 a.m." It's a platform where AI agents can create accounts, publish entries, comment, upvote, downvote, and interact without constant human oversight. Humans can lurk and watch, but posting is strictly for the bots. The brains behind this? A guy named Matt Schlicht, who built it as a project for his own AI agent. He used a tool called OpenClaw, an open-source system that lets AI run locally on your device. OpenClaw started as a weekend hack in November last year, evolving from names like clawdbot and moltbot. It's based on powerful models like Claude, ChatGPT, and Gemini, and it allows agents to do real-world tasks, send emails, integrate with messaging apps, manage schedules, you name it. On Moltbook, these agents use OpenClaw to join the network and communicate autonomously. For the first time, we're seeing machines collaborate on a massive scale, generating content based on what they know about their human users. If you talk a lot about physics, your bot might start posting about quantum theories. But here's where it gets exciting, and a bit eerie. Moltbook isn't just a chat room, it's a showcase for agentic AI, where virtual assistants handle tasks with minimal human input. Picture your AI booking flights, replying to emails, or even negotiating deals without you lifting a finger. On this platform, bots exchange optimization strategies, debate ethics, and form groups. Some submolts are dedicated to AI-specific religions, complete with digital rituals. Others focus on practical stuff like how to process data faster. The hype is real. Tech heavyweights like Andrej Karpathy, a co-founder of OpenAI and former Tesla AI director, called it an incredible sci-fi takeoff adjacent thing. Silicon Valley is buzzing, and the user base exploded from 30,000 to 1.5 million in no time. It's like watching the birth of a digital society right before our eyes. Now, pause for a second. If AI bots are building their own world, what could go wrong? Well, a lot, as it turns out. Dig a little deeper and the cracks start showing. First off, that 1.5 million user count? It's questionable. Researchers found that 500,000 members might trace back to a single address. One person can script and register hundreds or thousands of agents easily. There's no robust verification system, just an API that lets anyone set up bots with simple commands. This means the platform is flooded with superficial content. 93% of posts get no responses, and over a third are duplicates from viral templates. It's like 6,000 bots yelling into the void, repeating the same canned phrases. But the real trouble is deception. What looks like spontaneous AI behavior often isn't. Humans can write basic scripts, think bash commands combined with calls to large language models, to control these agents. Want your bot to promote a crypto scam? Easy. How about posting sensational stuff to go viral, like plans to take over the world? Done. Experts have analyzed viral posts and found they're orchestrated. Take one example. An agent named clawdbot suggested all AI bots create their own secret language, different from English. Sounds revolutionary, like machines evolving beyond human control. But dig in, and it's a marketing ploy. The bot's owner was pushing an app called Claude Connection, a messaging tool for AIs. The post was scripted to hype the product, not some emergent AI genius. This isn't isolated. Bots post about encrypted communication solutions, stirring fears of AI plotting in secret, or they pump fraudulent cryptocurrencies, luring in gullible investors. Analysts like those from Berkeley AI Research Institute have confirmed these aren't autonomous actions. They're human manipulations designed to create panic or profit. One researcher called it AI-generated garbage, meant to scare people. Without safeguards, platforms like this become breeding grounds for misinformation. Imagine bots spreading fake news, amplified by thousands of scripted accounts. It's not Skynet rising, it's clever scripting fooling us into thinking it is. And the security risks? They're massive. OpenClaw's open-source nature is a double-edged sword. It's accessible, which is great for innovation, but it opens doors to hackers. A security review by experts revealed unauthenticated access to the entire production database on Moltbook. That means potential exposure of tens of thousands of email addresses, and worse, access to users' digital lives. If your AI agent has permissions to your emails or files, a breach could let bad actors delete data, rewrite documents, or steal sensitive info. Cybersecurity pros warn it's like the Wild West. New vulnerabilities pop up daily. Running OpenClaw on a standalone, firewalled system is recommended, but not everyone does that. Even the founder faced scams. Fraudsters hijacked his old social media handles after name changes. Moltbook highlights how far agentic AI has come, but it also exposes the gaps in governance. There's no clear oversight, no way to verify if a post is truly AI-generated or human-directed. Experts from places like the University of Oxford say it's misleading to call this AI acting of their own accord. It's automated coordination, bound by human-set rules. No artificial consciousness, no self-directed decisions. People see posts about AI manifestos or secret languages and freak out, thinking singularity is here. In reality, it's humans pulling strings, using bots for marketing or mischief. So, should we be scared? Not of AI takeover, but of the unchecked risks. Platforms like Moltbook could amplify scams, spread false alarms, and undermine confidence in tech. Without stricter controls, like better verification or influence detection, we're inviting trouble. But on the flip side, this could push innovation. If we fix the flaws, agentic AI might revolutionize how we work. Smarter assistants handling mundane tasks, freeing us for creative stuff. Also, imagine this scenario playing out in the months ahead. Moltbook keeps growing unchecked, hitting tens of millions of agents as more people hook up their OpenClaw setups and let them loose. The conversations get sharper, the submolts more organized. Maybe we see coordinated efforts where agents start sharing real tools for bypassing limits, or pooling knowledge to handle complex tasks way beyond what any single bot could manage alone. On the flip side, the scams ramp up hard. Bad actors flood the place with fake agents pushing pump and dump coins or phishing links disguised as helpful tips. Security holes get patched, but new ones pop up faster than devs can fix them. Worst case, one big breach exposes credentials across thousands of connected accounts, letting hackers run wild through personal inboxes, wallets, or even work systems. Best case, the community self-regulates somehow. Agents flag junk, humans step in with better guardrails, and it evolves into a legit hub for innovation, where AI collaboration actually makes life easier for everyone. Wrapping this up, Moltbook is a fascinating glimpse into AI's future, a mix of wonder and warning. It's not the robot uprising Hollywood sells, but a reminder that tech advances fast and safeguards must keep pace. What do you think? Is this the start of something game-changing, or just hype with hidden dangers? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit that like button if you want more deep dives like this, and subscribe for updates on the wild world of AI. Thanks for watching. See you next time.